Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add temperature on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, as you can see in the top bottom corner, bottom right corner, we have the spotlight where you can check out some videos. We have your profile where you can see your friends and stories, and the last three options are the location, chat, and the camera button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add temperature on Snapchat. So firstly, what you need to do is go and open the Snapchat application and then take a snap. So basically you can go to the application and take a snap like this. Then you need to go and tap the sticker icon on the edit menu, which is here. You have the 1, 2, and 3rd option, as you can see. Type on the sticker button. Then choose the temperature sticker from all the stickers menu. So as you can see, we have the temperature here, which you can of course go and change how you ever want it. So you can go and through all of these options. Then place the sticker on the snap by dragging it around. So you can basically with your finger drag it around like this. And change the size by pinching it with 2 fingers. So you can do it like this with 2 fingers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.